yankaga tukiriya begi akaro ibintu byakaribya za DP za UPC za kabaka yenka konka bo hari kibaye batareba bakabagamba intunguka inguto amashanyarazi nk'iyo yo kubana bagamba konkitwe bakashangira ito baturoma ikintu cyo kutunga ntikiyemeza munonga nuho rumyankore yaza kwasira kushabira rahanga agira ati katunge nte n'urutoki tari kugera ati katura harukorasi nga nagira ati katunge nte n'urutoki mbona ko nabene impura bagamba imbuto amashanyarazi bita abantu bakabina mu burari kundi ko ndi hangu to yakorasi uko ndi umuro ukinyambaki ukuye myaka yankaga tunaje ntaga abantu abo bije kutabisa rero bazo muri yebe imbuto oye mashanyarazi biri habawe aba kalbazerera kabateni imizi niko kubangira singa mbwenu no mu university of Shoma mu lecture rooms ukoshanga ntakana n'abashomesa bone bagira ngo korporate korasi abantu bo nibegera kuba bagega kana bazo korporate korasi abantu bakuguma mu boro nkaga neshatu nkabandi ntara ejengo to yarga Kampala ya korasi ya Kabare kandi nkaga netana tuzafutera cricket n'umupira tezokoroye twagenda ngo to ya korasi ukika soroti ebute yate emazini myaka makumi mukaga no kushaga terkorasi kokarerizo wagenda ngo teje rushangabo aboro bakiro nahati korasero konka boro baro mbona hono to yastunga abantu bitu baza kuga kugira umuryenyi abantu abatakuranzya mbona hati mutanise entunguka nemanyisa ibintu byatwema konko bugaiga n'ubworo n'ibyawe ibinko muntu nka family nka company n'ibyawe entunguka byatwema kandi aho umuntu w'umusoga niho yizira akakigamba akagira akange kakira kaife umusoga yakihege atakange bikakira katwena akatwena nakatwena konka kange nakanye mbwenu umyaka yankaga twatandukana tuyabeje twazomba turajye umbantu twabahabura nuna nkatandikira nyabushozi abako twatwafurikiye twarigira ntunga abanyabushozi bakahirwa twagaba twafurikiye ntunga mu nyabushozi natandukana abanyabushozi n'abashomushengereyo mbona tkamboreke abamwa hari yabo abatungira ingiri yito muje kureba uko barahati
amazina ni George Matongo owangoma ngo turano gwatakasho ntaha mu gwanje ni murisa uteye maje kureba nuko itandikira tatakanda yake bavuya talobo hagwatedana nairisa zakanya nagura mataka nyutse nazo zankorera twenda zafurutiza abana bihereze naturu kabanza umunyankwe naija nahinda kumwata ngunzungu nukuzahanyuranya nasunga atizungu zindisumuti.
On our farm, we collect over 900 liters of milk per day, and a liter costs 800 shillings, which is approximately 21 million per month.
Hati mwenu atogumusheja matongo tashomire n'abanyacyaro baitu b'abanyankore abantu bakorera enda yonka batakumenya gukora enda n'enshaho kutwabashobesa mu myaka ya nkaga basimbuka ati mwene ubwo numureba n'umugeiga hati buri zoba natunda rutamagana mwenda z'amate ebe yo kuriya hansi abo kamate ni mengi natunda runana buri lita konka buri kwezi miliyoni 2 umwaka miliyoni 250 atahindukire numureba ari mu junungi yentura enemo sora abana abashomero gumushima hora nagambo rujungu graduate mbona hatamagara jego ngahindukire konga kandi arahare na korasi uko yari bageta ngoma nahare mununga na korasi kurugahi bari ni kamahiro nshanju nabo icyo entunguka eliyo ninche konko bugaiga buriyo hatogo twamta twatandikana kunagira mu government engire twabente burra turi abeji ntuburra turi ntubana mu kishaka nagire to mu government yona natanka bashomesa bashejamo bacyaramu muri cyo kugira mu za korasi n'amashanyarazi n'amarwaruro yes ibiroho konka iwo mwawe uryota ato mukaruruka cyenda mukaga na habara bagenzi banjye twakito mu manifesto mbwenu twino kugira embazi ebiri umbazo gumwe ubwo wita karufunziri bendo mbazo gwabo umbazo gwa kabiri ubwo amataka mahanga abamataka mahanga bari basakore kibayenda cyona abo kana bakorera hango nubuja kubaji konka beta karufunziri nyuka bari kibaro ebintu mushanju ebimwaka basakora icyo kubanza hika y'umwani cya kabiri hika y'ibijuma cya kashatu hika yo bunyatsi wente zo mucushu cya kana ibikuriye byeka kuriye kanyima tayenkoko z'amahuri kandi nayo oteyo empunu korotara musulamu ninga abanyankora bakari abanyankora bakari bakaba batari empunu kunga bahati bangize ngo bazumazero empunu hati abo mazinga ningo mumpita mukore fish farming ibido bibyenyanja twakito umbahandi cyo manifesto konka bati abakibintu abamuto bakufa konka hagira babihurira nabone kambore cyo mutsigazi basangwa arkamuri murebe ku ibyakozire kandi nuko yabikozire
Basangwa Johnson, Managing Director wa Jaka Poultry Farm. Jaka Poultry Farm eyaganibwa Bukwenge, Kamuli Municipality, Kamuli District. Mu 2007 twatandika obulunzi nga tutandikira mu Kamuli Town Council by then mu plot yali 50 feet by 100 feet. There's a foot ya 5 ku 10 eda itaka. Tutandika tutya. Twali nga tulina ebyobufuzi wano mu Kamuli nga waliwo ensonga nga chairman wero C5 omugenzi Kawuga bamwidukira Katonda mu ekyumulo eky'emirembe nga bamutoyiremu abantu bangi abatamu application nga bali kwenda okufuuka ba chairman ba 5. President yaida yatulungamya yakoba ati bana abantu mwena temusobola kuba ba chairman ba 5 aye abantu mujje mukola emirimu egindi ng'okulunda yayogera kulunda embidi okulunda enkoko byonna yabyogera nze napikinga mu kyokulunda enkoko n'atandika efaamu mu 2007 n'enkoko 5. Sawa dino wendogerera ku faamu kuno tize mabega ntambwire president kaino sawa dino tutambwire tulina enkoko mitwalo 10 tufulumya amagi etule 2,000 buli lunaku etule 2,000 divaamu milioni 2 buli lunaku omwezi diba milioni 6 omwaka tuba tuli mu bilioni ze 6 n'ekitundu
ati mwenu ogwo musigazi basangwa mwamuhura ngo bakana ba Rwanda akarumo ka LC5 2007 wabera LC5 Kawugu bakaba muhiremu batanka ku Rwanda akarumo ka LC5 akakamuri nazayo kunaze nabaga beti mwe bana mukugira umuturumo twa government kandi mbasa kore ibyo mugasho n'umuko wa mutari mu government nguwe yihamo okuri ebinabagambe ibi kubagambira hati biriya mushanju okora hafunzire wihamo okuri senkoko z'amahuri hati ayituru kugambira buri zoba na shoulder trays z'amahuri 2,000 buri zoba atase milioni 20 buri zoba umwaka milioni 6 ukwezi milioni 6 umwaka bilioni 7 na milioni 200 hato ni bengi filmu zanje aho zijwira abantu kabo nambone ndebo uri musheja wo mukiga wa Kabuyanda w'ibyenyanja ni mureba aho na akanahurira ngiri yanjye wo musheja wo gutinguma hato kwari na wakahurira ngiri yanjye konga tinka mutere hartambi beje bakutere hartambi ne unkukozesa kushomesa. My team in touch with that man. He had started fish farming, that old man. Hati Muhammad Wabasangu we omuru yamushanjwe binagambire ayakehamo enkoko z'amahuri zonka yagegahara katuze karamoja
Mr. Korea Dick Ogira. I am a model farmer in Abim district. My village here is called Arangetai West. Arangetai Parish, Abuk Town Council, Abim district, in Karamoja. The mango trees you are seeing here were given to me by the president through Operation Wealth Creation. I received 200 mango seedlings, and I planted all, and they are all doing well. Apart from this venture, I got money from PDM last year. I got 880,000, and I used 800,000 for buying 10 goats, and the goats are there. They have multiplied. They are now 16. Part of the money of PDM I used for buying cassava stems. Through that money, I've managed to plant 2 acres cassava. They are now doing well. The first acre I intend to harvest next year in January. And then for the mangoes, you see, I started harvesting last year in 2023. The first harvest, I got 6 million. That was in June. Then second harvest in September, November, not September, November, I got another 6 million. So last year, from these mangoes, I got 12 million shillings. I've been selling to the people around. Actually, Soroti Fruit Factory has booked this mango. They want me to take these mangoes tomorrow, 2025, to the factory. Actually, I've been selling locally. I've been selling one at 500 shillings, 2 1,000. And people are buying. These mangoes are very good. The mangoes trees you see here are giving me money, a lot of money. And I want to thank His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Uganda, Kaguta Museveni, for coming up with the idea of Operation Wealth Creation in the country. This is money. I am not going to suffer. My children will not suffer because of this wealth. I put one up. I always harvest. I don't harvest mango. I harvest money, not mangoes. So I want to thank our president so much. And next year, if all goes well, I expect to get 18 million first harvest. And then second harvest, I also expect to get 18 million next year, 2025. So altogether, I expect to get 36 million shillings. And this money I will use for paying for.
Alkaramoja mahiro magana 5 kuruga taringo to yakora si ko muhuru kuyatungira ati emiyembe eito ahera bona mu Uganda yo Operation Wealth Creation we yagihamya atuno hororo kwari ukwari mugenda kugambira abantu gukora ikinta gukora abana haburo ukora hafunze nyine amataka mahango konka government ngakora kuzire twafamu utwa government ahika inezi ntani mbagamba murebe byanjye binkora nayo no the 4 acres model.
My name is Dr. Maurice Kuchen. I am a commissioner by appointment before the State House, and I've been assigned by the President to execute the 4-acre model, and I've put them so far in 10 regional zones in the country. Now, the 4-acre model is idea conceived by the President to guide our farmers on how to utilize their small acreages of land so that they can earn more money through intensive farm. And here we're talking about enterprises that have good yield and high income for the household. So we have the fish farming, which is one of the enterprises that can be done near the water without interfering with wetland and tampering with water flow. Then we have the zero grazing unit. On the other side, we have the coffee, we have the banana, and also it also needs food crops as 1 acre plus fruit. So this idea of the 4-acre model is to support income for the household. And as we go into the small mathematics, we know that it's capable of putting somebody out of poverty. Now, specifically on the fish pond, here is about 20 by 50 meter pond, 1,000 meters square. After finishing the excavation, we stock 10,000 fish. We feed it for about 8 to 9 months. In the north, which is warmer, the fish grow faster. And in the west, which is a little cold, you add 1 more month to reach the same quantity of grams. So by that time, the fish will be about 800 grams to 1.5 kilograms. In the market, the fish which is 1 kilograms or 800 grams here costs about 10,000 shillings. So having stocked here 10,000 fish, by 10,000, somebody will get 100 million in 1 year. And then when you subtract the cost of managing, which is roughly 30 million, somebody can be able to save 70 million on this fish pond. And this size, we can put 2 of them in 1 acre. So meaning in this particular acre, somebody should be able to get around 140 million shillings. That is for this particular.
Mwahura kafamu kanje aka government akarira abantu banje bakatamuhika yo mwani batamuhika yo rutoke batamu ebijuma batamu ente zo kuri zo mu kiju batamu kiro kimenyana kitaratera n'utu mucyasire tinguza munongo mbeno nohura abantu banje umbyenya byoroka umhikemu niwe miliyoni 180 umwaka waza kwiraho ezo kukozesa so ubona n'ubujuzi ubukoreka ngo kunafunzira wakoze kwa kabura kwitu ni mchango yabakora bina ninga bitanu hari umushanju ninga wakora kimwe nkabasa ata abana bafunzire konga nabahango nabo basakora ubukora hango runamwe kambore palm oil farming in Karangara in Maluzi ifite kanshoti kwa kukoreka ebinazi muri rero abonabo abakora ahango mbona hati ubwo n'umuganda gwa kashatu enaremu itafari ya kashatu enaremu iritera hari Uganda ukabara abantu ukora ibyo bugeiga bakareka kugira ahantu mukayo hati heje kibuzo cya kana nekenere mu cyetero umuganda emirimo neshangwa hi ikibazo tuvuze abantu ushanga bati mashambaga pamoyo ibinazi mugareba go mashamba mtakagera ngo Museveni ari mutwani tuka twahike munga nibihango na bitu biriyo agana mashamba ga pamoyo ibinazi tukiyama mashita gukora sabuni yitukunaba agamashita twantu gashaka urushaka amashita kunaba sabuni abaheru kuba amashita zuru streeta ustegirizo kushaka amashita gukora sabuni dema natere karanga yona Maruzi Buvuma hariyo amashamba gebenazi agashaka ndiko kujo abahanga no bari cyayi abo bari konka nyinjira kutamani hamuntu umuke ati katsa kigambo emirimo neshangwe ukuze abantu bajya ngo emirimo neshangwe mu government hachi Uganda kaya abantu miliyoni 50 emirimo ya government kandi mutwarana na munana netumara mbo tureba ngo kuno kuzuza abantu tubajya tiga mbenu muhuguke katurebe imirimo yakurwa katurebe basangwa uriyo twatwarebere
ubigiye era lina abakozi ebikumi bisatu
ati kijamanya basangwa enkumi bena mushanju akari omoro abimba kubanda kari mukairo C5 kuna abagura yazo munkoko yagegahara muamre kongo bugwe bwa basangwa bwazare mu 300 y'abanyarwanda bandi ndetse ikintu cyo kureba kimwe cyo turimo kimenya nezarwa ubugeiga boha buntu ngani Museveni bwa family bwa company niba nazo bintu nini basubira za company zayo ezakata para status enimo kuba umukora sente ko kandi uzara nimero mbona tumwareba basangwa imirimo y'ubugega buzeyire katuza amakorro hata bwene bitawo ni mukureba meta mwisha ikita mubizire hati rena mbare meta y'amakorronka imutani y'umukumanyeza mbara za kabare zantuye mugitu nibuka busabuni bwohuzi bwenda bwamashtagetara kurukuze muduka nore umukozone nabona hari tukatu umuhindu budara akaje umukozi wamwe bakanambuta bakutura bakababi akabakutura nundi jo wan beta wicharani bakabarabira abakozi ba budara babi ko katanga ko igitawo n'ejo rero makuru makumushanju matano hati bastahi umurimo makuru turayo wakoza katsumu aha freezer bero bana abakora mu factory ukuba kwiga no bareba ati tawuneje y'amakuru y'ambare nekosa abakozi umutangire kwibi katuze namave harimo makoro maganabe na makumushanju nashota hati bigoza abakozi emtwale nane kunina tubasabumuza n'insu yo mu Rwanda yona hata amakoro gazere mirimo akakamwe n'umutara no kumyashota umukanya kake ahigatandikire kwija ina government mwajuri na munana mbona tamakoro gene mirimo erukire ya government mu bishaka kandi gakijana hadi nawe cyo itafari yakana irane mu Uganda nuko ukugura abantu kandi koreka ngomurimo tere mu government iri mpenge no burisa bo bantu ko kora imirimo yabo iri makoro iri mu hoteli aba boda ndareba igoketa uhereza mu transport mu hospitality mu tourism imirimo niyeri ndita faria jakana ene muri etera hari Uganda haragana matafari ashatu ngani jaga kugambo na dim press conference abata spiri muri kumana umugirejo harabana binashomese ibimikono abana abanagiwe abone kwabandi yokta okushashuza abantu mu mashomero abana babiri mu mashomero ubwana bazukira bashobora nagambara abana bashomero mu government kuko bakuru b'amashomero n'abandi bagarura mufizi abana babiri mbona ko yabivuga kandi kiho rwandikishije yangiye kandi kuza abana busha dore abancana bakareba ikibaro nyambo ubwana ubu mbishurwanye ubashomesha ata babiri no mushi bahereza ubujuzi gamba bingi gamba cyakwihira umishomero kandi cyo washomere nategeko reka gamba bingi.
Sebo Mr. President, amazina ni Arinda Humphrey kuruga umugombora yachikagate Town Council kamara siriya ya kana na stama kumara bezi mu cyaro frustrated school fees ekija yabura na marubire buringwa ndi yawo ndika street kid nijana hebwa Nelson wita kuruga kabuyanda no yangambero project age ngaza restaurant na shangana ichiro omu industrial hub tibaranyiro shirinje na 10 akubati yechite chindi kurukuna cyo mu industrial hub baskiringa bapeza mindset change kuna maze kutunga skill omu byo kombeka bapeza certificate yanje certificate teka byamaga Mr. President nashora omwaminezo wita yanyongera kufira company kutandikira kugira ngo inyongere experience mukombeka ejo company ya Mr. Kwed Construction ejo company ngatiza mu experience eri kumara na kora amezi nkashatu under supervisory ya Mr. Hirare nijanja experience kuya mazire yandirezinga ya jangwate yuwaika niyo nachoza zaheru otungeho experience niyo shomesa abandi ezeshaha omu experience nyine mbasize kongeraho project ya interior designing omu interior designing gate under construction anyina abakozi batanu abundi ikora nabo Mr. President sir at least ezeshaha buriya kandi tunga omutwaro gumene chweka kuba kumene chweka ni bamya batayi banje abuna yigisere nabo tukakora group tino muntu cyakora gumene chweka ani tunga company ni tunga contract kurugum batabitu bisinjiro tupatane bizimbe ekizimbe shanga watchkwatira budget ya milioni kemene chweka yareba wazigabaniso bakozi ngabatano kuza kwanjura umurimo omu weeks nkibiri oshango shashwire obashashwire wojiro mbato okushashura obashashwire mitwaro cye amiliyoni mene chweke oshango ino balance yawe yemitwaro mukaga amitwaro kaga nimbasa kushashura ho rent yanje nanyumdebeka na saving awe imitwaro 20 kugira ngo nyenja kare company yanje jongere mu ebikuburamu konga kumbere lyawo mugisha muruji Mr. President nyongera kusima akubo beneficiaries bawe omuri sinjiro account yitu eyindi kwebembera kache ya person wanyu twatera ho support ya milioni 50 ezitu kwaso muri 5 na kama tuwerego kabasho officer witu Mr. Patrick ninyongera kusima akubato tuberire patron mubi eyitkuburabura otwata mukono otwereko manda murungi so nibyo Mr. President webari
Dr.
Arinda Humphrey kuruga Town Council
mbona Arinda akabumoro atatangiye kumwiga adana kusaba batanu nabo
West Hilsa President amazina nyimetwa abo anyasini nuga Kambizi Town Council kashoma naika primary ya Mshanju unachira primary ya Mshanju sente zabora nashikama kuna birendiaho na horo maranga nibagira ngo omu industrial hub rushasi harisho meyo ngejeje mukono najenda nahikayo kunicira nangwa nkatina na mango bundi school fees cyabazembaza kujiya hi kwikayo kashango okuryama no kwabusha okurya no kwabusha pine kirabire mbashaba kuya bakamba kwereza skill kega charani kuna mazere kurugayo na twamara mezi mukaga kuna mazere kurugayo na ikomuka kumakireyo aha rubaju hari ishomero bakabiye n'ababoda babahereze harani naze nagira mbona kanyegere cyarani tumureka ababoda kagumanisha mazyo kaberegeze master yanyichiriza kuyanyikirize ababoda natandika kubetesa okweza kamba emitwali 10 emitwali 10 ejo naguma ni savinga nagure byanje nahandi bishatu ati nyina abakozi bashatu okwezi abakozi abo ngashashire emitwala 85 nanyemwine saving eyanje kandi na capital eyo garamu mboni kusima Mr. President abazire nabeshengereza abatona abakutera karuru nabeshengereza mu mbere Mr. President enabamuhaye President Mr. President
hatumbe mureba obuzare oburi hagati ya ubwo ubwiga n'umurimo aba bana bakaba ari abo bateye imyuga y'ibine kuna bahera imyuga nija kutezera mekishani mu bana mutaheza kuna bahera imyuga batanga kugira ubugega buke kurati bazirimo mbere tafarana agena rero etere ari Uganda nicyo twagira sinyaburamu abantu Uganda mwagire MRM rero yakoze biriya dere gumizemo na imeze byakoze kandi ibyo bindi bitakakoze hati icyamuheru amezi gakagera agamezi tweja kukiza abantu bambarara abambara bakaba ari kutumo umwama iro abambara bakapata kuri unjababo ubwaga bahiri uburuzi bakwata kubi uruzi batanga kugira amezi make badiro ajabambara kabaho kutaba ntimbure wizi kanjye kagera mbashakira amezi twagashaka mahira ashatu n'itanu kuruga kuri yigari ugasya mbara kuko pramido neshinyo bije kuzaba ishinyo ni utungera mu kunywa kuko utungera mu kushikira imisiri yanyu abuga ubu mwiruma n'ubutamanya turimo kubwehara tukubanza kugira abantu bari aho batakumenya mugashobwa wo kushikera atkambore iki cyo kureberaho icyo kushikera Dr. Muranga umusirugu bashirwa presidential banana project
This is where our model plantation is. Plantation, which you've heard, we've already gone beyond 50 tons of yield per hectare per year. Matoke is very important part is water, but especially in the dry season. So here we are using irrigation, drip irrigation, as you can really see, using water, especially in the dry season. Drip irrigation, the advantage with it is that it sends water where it is required. PB does not depend on national water. We make our own water, which we pump every day. 90% of the water is used for irrigation, and the other 10% is processed for use in power plant and estate residential areas. This farm, as per NEMA allows us to use a third of the water flow. But in the dry season, we can just use 12% of water flow. So there is still enough water which we can pump. We've already finished the feasibility study to distribute the same irrigation water to the farmers, mainly along the water pipeline. So the structures you are seeing here are mainly to do primary filtration of the water. You have seen the color of the water through that irrigation. It's our water in the western region is full of iron. So we always reduce the iron content by passing it through the air. Each of these pumps 4 cubic meters per hour, and it has a lift height of 140 meters. That's why we have found
ekikuru aha project yitu ya Bushenyi. Dr. Muranga okwenda mu mwetu nasharura tani 53 z'ebitoke buri hectare. Abanyankore abamutorere nibasharura nibatema ati ningamuri mukuru bakampana ibitoki tubasharura ibitoki babitema basharura uburo basharura ibicori ko gato namwe nabyo kawuta bakanga kweto kuhenda konka uriya hatu ndurumi mbona hati Dr. Muranga na temitoke tani atanisha abanyakora abamutorere nibatema tani 5 hectare. Mwatu Dr. Muranga abushira nokuza uruwezo nabakize mu rundi 10 haturiuna tayire bukanga kuriya ubitoke ariya uwo muto arai iroko to bujuzo no temo to hectare no shikira to shikira that is like 3,600. That is the tons. Very good. So, don't have to. Everyone, over. At me, take a shower. NRM nukuba abakozi abamushana okumanya so mbona abantu kubona bushara bakabishisha mbona kabari baganda kumanya hati okuzina bushara mukabishisha nimba mukozeresho bibiri yo kubanza mwashishe kishara ya kabiri mwasera emigongo ikintu twakikwata twenu okushisha bushara kandi tukasera emigongo Uliyankore niwetegereza okusera niki okubaza kukisoborani abari kutumanya okusera n'icyo kumenya Uliyankore anzira bashisha bushara mwasera emigongo esho bibiri okusera please kwabaremo kamaza kuntera no kushobora ntaka tundi batama zamzinda uhadi okusera irayo kabali musham ubuni Tanzania okusera niki
Your Excellency nabanyeta Julius Abonda kanduho okusera
shamira ko omchara ni yaga kushuru mchara yero just awukana okugumaniye no kugamba mwagenda mu kugenda mu cyuma mu cyo kongera That's exactly. Okusera nkimayisa mbona hati kuhamu kachekana wakwire mucyano bansera batwarete mukatare bansera ikindi okuzimba cyo no okuzimba niki icyahansi kandi icyakubisi cyahigura mbona ikimugongo tugisera okuyamu tani ekumisha tumalanga ebitoke ekumisha emisayo y'ibitoke ekumisha na rukaga tutwakita mutani konka tutwashira biki ndamutazo ufite n'umutware y'ibitoke umwaka mbere y'urutaro urutino kuzamu tukasimura abantu bakakimenya twenda tukareka kuza kutsikanda nanga ate cyamuhera ni na industrial park muzilitaka nkawa yinitaka yikuji nakamara tutofayo tabitaka yikuji ndashaka kutoka mu industrial park hata abantu baruko umurushozi ndabandi ndashaka kushika kwenda kwa kije kumya tumugeye ko guko ngo bitakora bitako kumera bunge burhantu ntuje kwaki ushaka harimo okuhaba atika chizaho njore yaje kuja MLM oye omugurusho w'igikofera oye ishingiro oye ngara oye East Africa oye lete abebendera imvura yaza kutushanga ekigambo ky'ebyoma by'enguuto nakitunga mu n'okutunga ebyoma by'enguuto ebindi habwo district mpango Your Excellency, program yetu atugazaho no kuhereza ba MPs na on top pino ambassador dunia na kuna kasisi ambassador dunia nabe okuva mu kasisi ogu kandi nanisha wangu umtabakisha ni mzee tuna abafronasa abantu 10 abo kumanya kandi twantwana ngo tezekisha nabo tune converts abantu bo LP tune Honorable Bright wa Mrama uyaza kurecevinga ebendera wakwatire ebendera abayisingiro North Constituency. Thank you, Honorable Bright.
Wa kabiri ni Honorable Kangwaje Stephen Wakalumba. Welcome. Thank you, Honorable. Wakasha tuine Honorable Hams Abike Kanyamule mwakuza kutunga bendera.
Okay.
Isi West. Wakana wanaleta bila nyuma Bukanga constituency. Wakata no unaona William Elao Owechiteka Orukuratao Honorable Murjun Asenesio Ogonowa Isinjo South Orukuratao ni chairman wetu kando wa weje anakozi okile Isinjo Echeni. Good mobilizer, thank you, Aaron Turahi. Nawe mieto owa Western. Amweto. Tumulaze nini? Thank you, Honorable. Ogonowe mieto. Thank you, Excellency. Etatika nokuteza na these groups zinagambaho Ambassador Adonia and Cassis Baker. Yes. Excellency nyira kutwara umucogo okwebaza RDC weitu Nasima Ada kandi na RCC weitu mwesige nani shaba mugende muze kuteza nabantu bariya ekishani
Wakaruru TV West neja kubera burahamwe okurwa mu byaro okuzuma tawuni umunterane z'abari ku rundo bururu hamwe n'ibiganiro turi mu cyanga cyawe eshayo tukwetera irupfayo amakuru gaho naho na buri cyona eco murebe witu aine kumanya mutuza kucumisia no mukumanya abo kubecera bo cyona TV West neja kuba nechikwisiaho TV West nehinda
Uganda mwetebekanisize ubu ni bwo bwire bwo kucamukana sente umukazana kari kwaza kwindura amagara gawe ubwo uri kuresa shilingi 20,000 zonka yandikisha heji uri kutera star 238 star 3 star 10 simu yawe abwa shilingi 20,000 zonka rero utegereza umuca ubwo gusimbura sente nyamwinji ubwo uri kwirebera TV West buri zoba buri kwehandikisa ni kongera mica yawe okutoranwa okwetaba mu draw yo kwangura sente mu program y'umushonje hamwe no muneneserezo umuhanguzi naza kwa natererwe simu kurabera ahari noti 2 noti chenda anana mwenda emirundi yo kweta mu kazano niko mica yawe kusingura edi kweyongera
Aquafina enriched drinking water. Quality, purity, refreshment.
Original garments bari stripping kumkujwara nibajwe kabashija nabojo hamwe nabana na perfume zone bine suits z'umurembe izimbaga za office amasata gagumire na t-shirts empare za office hamwe na za casual wear.
Westlink Beauty Shop Mbarara nituguza wholesale na retail ebintu ya salunika head dryers entebe za saluni hand dryers waiting chairs sterilizer towel curtains trolleys ebyuma byo kutega amashoke